How to delete all tweets at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of how to guide. If you're also trying to delete all tweets that you posted or tweeted on your Twitter account, then this is the right video for you because I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to follow. So firstly, if you open up your Twitter app and head over to your profile, you would not see any option within the app of Twitter to delete all of your tweets at once. You can delete them individually by tapping on the three dots on the top right and tap on delete tweet. That is the only thing that you can do within the Twitter app. So if you want to delete all of your tweets at once, you will need to open up and use a third-party website. So open up your web browser first and search for tweetdelete.net. This is a website that lets you delete multiple tweets at once. So just tap on sign in with Twitter and then you'll need to type in your details. So type in your username or your email address and then type in the password and then tap on sign in. And using this exact website, you'll be able to delete multiple tweets at once or delete all of your tweets at once. So that was the exact video on deleting all tweets at once. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be soon back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.